Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a mock road test. So basically I'm going to just go over the stuff that you would do on the road test. So you would drive straight, you will make a right turn, left turn, 3-point turn, parking, and you will switch lanes. That's about it. It's really simple. Alright, so let's get on the road. So basically before the instructor come in the car, you want to make sure you adjust your seat to where you like it. Put on your seat belt. Fix your mirrors, make sure you can see. Make sure you can see your side mirrors too as well. Once you fix all of those, once the instructor come in, wait until they give you the directions. Don't do nothing until they give you directions. So when they tell you to start the car, when it's safe to do so, you go ahead, put your foot on the brake, start the car. Now you want to put the car in drive. Put the left signal on, turn the wheel a little bit. Don't move yet. Check your mirror, check your blind spot, and wait until it's safe to do so. Wait till it's safe to go. So I got a little traffic coming in, so I'm gonna wait till it clear all over it, then I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, you wanna check your last check again, and then once it's safe to go, you just let go of the brake a little bit, and ease your way into traffic. Alright, so here we come into a red light, so you just wanna stop right before the line. Put on your right signal, cause we're about to turn right. So this is a one-way, but it's a 2-lane one-way. So you just go into either lane, but I'm gonna stay in the closest lane. Just wait for this light, taking a little minute. All right, now once we got a green light, we're gonna go ahead and turn. And we're gonna go straight down to the light down there. So you just wanna drop the speed limit of the city that you're in. You don't wanna hit the exact speed limit. So here we're gonna switch lanes since it's called double park. Just put on your left signal, check your mirror, check your blind spot, and then switch lanes. And we're gonna stop at this red light. Don't do what that tow truck just did. He just cut the red light. That will result in an automatic failure on the test if you do that. So don't always follow the drivers in front of you. Make sure you're actually paying attention to the light. It's easy to get caught up in that too. So now we're just gonna go straight down to the next light. We're gonna make a left turn. So you don't wanna drive too slow, but you don't wanna drive too fast. And you just go according to the speed of the traffic. So if the traffic is going 10 miles per hour or 5 miles per hour, you just go that amount. So we're gonna turn left, put on the left signal, and we're gonna turn left here, right in the middle. On a one-way street, you wanna drive in the middle. Yes, on a one-way street, you wanna drive in the middle. So here's an all-way stop sign, where every stop sign has a stop sign. So you gotta look both ways, 1, 2. Once it's clear, you go ahead and go. So here we're gonna make another left turn. Here's a wider turn, so you just wanna go up to the middle and then start turning. You don't wanna turn too early. So we're just gonna wait for the light to turn green. Have your signal on, just be ready. And always remain confident too on the test. Don't feel intimidated by the instructor or nothing like that. Just drive like they're not even there. Just waiting for this light. So now that it turned green, we're just gonna move up a little bit to like the middle-ish, and then we're gonna start turning from here so we could get in the lane safely. All right, we're gonna make another left turn over there. So they have this middle lane where you get in the middle before you turn left. All you need to do is put your signal on, check your mirror, check your blind spot, and then start getting in the middle once you see the dotted white lines. Here we got another red light. So when you turn in left and there's traffic coming, you gotta let the cars that's going straight down go. They got the right of way. So you're just gonna wait in the middle until it's clear. So I'm gonna just creep up to the middle a little bit. Not all the way, but like around here. And I'm gonna just wait till it's safe to go. I'm gonna let this motorcycle go too. Alright, once it's safe to go, then you start turning. Hand over hand steering. You want to turn the middle once again. But here's a bike lane here, so you just want to be where the lines is at for the cars. There's another stop sign, always stop sign. Everybody that's coming have a stop sign on their side. So you just want to check 1, 2. And if it's people coming this way, you check usually too. But since it's a one way, you don't. You just check to see if there's nobody coming though. But nobody's coming through that wrong way. Now we're just gonna go straight down to the stop sign. Once you're about to approach the stop sign, you wanna start holding the brake from far, you know, until you get to the line. All right, 1, 2. He's going straight as well, so we both just gonna go. And I got there before him. So whoever get there first goes first, basically. So here's a bump, and it's 15 miles per hour here, so you don't wanna pass that. So I'm about to park next to this car, so I'm gonna put on my right signal, check my mirror, check my blind spot, and I'm gonna slowly just align the car next to him. You wanna go mirror to mirror, but some cars is different. If your car is bigger, you wanna move up a little bit. If it's the same size, you go mirror to mirror or bumper to bumper, that's more accurate. So now I'm gonna put in reverse, put the hazard lights on, turn it one time like this. Check your mirrors, check your blind spot, make sure nobody coming. Then you just want to back up. Once you see the license plate with your side mirror, then you want to turn it all the way left again, and just back all the way into the spot. And you want to look back and check your mirrors as well, so you don't hit that curve. All right, so once you in the spot, you can either put it in drive to move forward if you need to, but since I'm doing a 3-point turn, I'm gonna move back a little bit so I have enough space to do it. Move back like this. All right, I'm gonna do a 3-point turn now. I'm gonna take off the hazard lights, put on my left signal, turn it all the way left. Don't move yet. Make sure you check your mirror, blind spot. Make sure you let the cars go. Once it's cleared, then you just go ahead. You press the gas a little bit. You don't have to force it. And you just go till you can't, basically. All right, so now I'm gonna reverse. Put it in reverse, put the right signal on. Look both sides, check back, and then move back. And then you just move back till you have enough space to go again. Put it in drive. Put the left signal on again, and then you just drive forward. It's a bumpy again, so I'm gonna just slow down. And it's 15 miles on this street until I get to the stop sign. So I'm gonna pull over there, right behind that truck. I'm gonna look right here, make sure nobody coming. So once I'm about to pull over, check my mirrors again, check my blind spot, and then just safely pull over. Once you pull over, you put it in park, and you just wait for the instructor to give you a ticket or to give you instructions. So yeah, that's basically the test. It's real simple, it's quick, it's simple, it's easy, you know, it's not as hard. Just stay confident. Don't overthink it. Just go out there like there's nobody sitting next to you, and you will be good.